Smart Ghana update and I'm here mubibia akwaba. It's all about political issues e Ghana. Say wa broni a social media obeka nsem bebre fa na Akufo-Addo ho His Excellency say the size check na Akufo-Addo say ne pe nsem bebre o secret na secret ninti omo stage arm robbery nsem bebre no kan hopes na doye national security or nsem bebre ne ba ya chese yenyina yenitia na eno na say na parliament for enso so nidi echiri nti ena parliament akopie ho ase wa broni DP ho ma MP for Bongo East Edward Bawa ma ne suggestion na say o kasa efa man no say the be mpuntu be ban ni kwa say MP for no modwene sikasem monko na mo pesika ne ade mo yi sa adwene free mutrim say the be future nkwada mo pese o mo ye te say ono Edward Bawa no ana say future nkwada mo pese o mo ye te say wa broni nti o kan say wa broni na chese Speaker of Parliament or say on withdraw because of person din no Parliament. Be say ekọ na ekotie nsema ekọ so say this course na ebisa say na nka say obo say wa buru no obo na ehu hia say speaker no so man withdraw ana say na nka say oyi nani kura na nka omoto aso say de be ya omonka ho asem kura yenko na ekotie mra.
And that is why I indicate that as a country we should not allow, and I will indicate, we should not allow our selfish and brilliant quest for riches affect our national agenda. That is why today you will go to Bongo, you will go to Adaglo, and you have maybe there are small children, maybe the future Edward Bowers, maybe the future Sewa Bronis. Who will be interested?
Honorable member, please withdraw that name, please. Please, Edward, please withdraw that statement.
I should withdraw the Edward Bauer. Because I mentioned two names. I mentioned the future Edward Bowers, the future Sewa Bronis. So which one should I withdraw?
The latter.
Which one?
Please withdraw.
Okay, so Mr. Speaker, with your direction, you say I should withdraw the letter. So I will withdraw the Sewa Bronis, and then in place I put Sewa Kutu. I was just taking two Ghanaian names, just like I took Edward Bauer. I didn't mean any malice.
So we say for anona chese ekoti ba ya chese we say nye Sewa Broni oyi Broni ni free ho no say we replacing with Sewa Kutu anti na the course of parliament ni busa say na ese be bisa abam sensational words bisa na say obi din sa na ekoso ewo social media no na ese bam sa ma parliament ye me na Akufo Jessica pa be ma fentemfrem na ebedi nkomo na
anyhow
say o hear the course of parliament
agrondo sondo
sir
because you Anibra Ba or present a very important message to the house and pass asoma o kanu hia say yema osomo a yemanfo no avotu ama ese yemesomo no ehia yenchen yankase selfish interest even those as no okano you assembly e kan say okaka wani asema nyamsompa enso akoma mu ni hu ahoden it could be say one of them the itia make us as yin anim say ye mra hyebedomfo no ahoden om de pre ne ama ma om ho enye the same ahoden on the pre ma ommanfo ye wo ha $28 million loan yete ahoden an obi adi chirim. We even had an MP who was explaining all types of V8 cars no ebe siutu no and ko trenye ya obenya ukura be 7 billion ahwa unya SL ahwa unya this or even the friend saying V8 no or types say correct pa obi anya bia ope so what ade na say ye hwa hoden om de press anema no ene hoden a se nsuo kura suku da kura na efe edwire gukura na yekoka yehu ahoden a eno so omde ko ho ntwe kura na oka no sabe nyansafo betu do madwia kwa chire uti we kura kana no kwa it's just a presentation or presenting but yɛmfa no nto nkyɛn no giving the benefit of the doubt no o kasime hia ma yɛnyɛ selfish yɛnhunu amanfoɔ no yɛdie no ehia ɛmɔ ahe all the sudden I say bia na future sɛ waburu anka sankedi bia te sɛ bia pop up a generate kind of argument within the social media now in the country now
previously you know papa no
so what ase ɛna yɛwɔ krom ha edrum na bia important issues we ho se ka ho asɛm ɛnre ya mansia west to mansia south ɔmato ho agu mountain so ɔmakwan so yi kwan no bae no ne kyerɛ said this is kura che say oh Jesus I quite papa so did them near Munabi Ama according to them a few months ago there was robbery attacks or teacher ni been in nursing ku say issue nyina why was here discussing sabe o baby on social media abano a etu no mba wana wo kaso pese da ache ne babaye o baby on social media create confusion na is that what he's trying to say it na nka hu hia ba kokora say we present a very important message like that no o san so de saadi be she me take the beauty out of asankro na wo ka no because nya kan you say nti so bi na sum the ending of your submission sa asam na odbe wo no atwe adwe ni na san abasa adin so ma ya asankro na important message na de man do bi adwe free so ana me so me speaker kra anka bi kra anka me san so because when you free no ma pie wie o so sa bachire ma asana kwantubo sa asam na ya discuss na free ho e makoye minyi sewa broni anasema minyi okay ne majai me ye no sewa akoto all this me hun say basa ma gro no do so
ni ko asanka speaker of parliament no ka chance on withdraw
first and foremost nan kan sese bawa no kakra ana wanya nso aka wi nan kan sese speaker nso esama another attention koso biem waka because why any ordinary name a Ghanaian name Bruni Yadia Ekokruma Debia, even though Sakoya famous Bruni because of the nature of Samna Esinti. Nankaya Sankanya to Enya can we? Kiaman Kotna Samna or Kanum Yakinam Ko. Dan say Bekasu redraw and okay, my redraw and I'm at the Sewa Kutabashaw and Fasubi so.
Inti Ensha dear, say Mihunizibia, a bassa or more can. Serious issues or normally will be become to make the parliament lively.
Your timer you did this agrono. What's that mean amount instance we say Amansia South or West? Omokwan emama tomogo mountain so mo demonstration more than pa say if 1992 omato Obama NPP because they see NPP to be their Messiah between Abuomo. But since 1992, I started to Abama NPP. Even 1 kilometer of an asphalt road, Rano, Omu and Patamo. Nti issue be at say, you say, and can the Pacona convene our convene meeting, no, and our carry message, you know, Adama district, whatever, no. Sakoya no say, I Kasawa Brunia, Anka, Mon Chanois. I could take the beauty out of presentation now, or you know. So what I then say, it is some someone to more discussing with to ease some stress there. Fine, between the Buna near 7 years all words and no play mix jacket door boy. So what I then say, but this is sensitive issue. Here see you focus on at the corner walk and you say if there could be any way of addressing the issue. And yes, I believe the choir Yadi be woman said about the next assembly. Anybody will win at
work. So because say what Bruni issue now walk on. But we armed robberies is a free parliament work a crana and say what Bruni issue no. Say Edward Bauer honorable Edward Bauer a bear more no or the bear more my sensational. Among for any dear some again they can a serious issue. I don't know who says a war Bruni no be or nipa and who here. I didn't know yes stage robbery. Ama no na bibisa nti ama se wa broni na gina ama issue no as a issue na very equally important and now when say se wa broni issue no nya ade be important.
My dear, my brother, me kind of krewe lukro a naked truth opa agidi umpa anyini se wa broni na nkasa saa ababa no nam social media no that issue is uncalled for unentia menya bote atie ni one of the videos to be all kase obeduru Ghana ena oso okọ hehe ena oguru ba bi na nkofo beto share ne so na omoje ne bag na ne sika wum ena nkofo dollars som de ama ne wum as the lady talks too much so what I then say ena omo koi no an robes no koi no later am koto o se kan ko man fa nko bag ne ne ene ma wum no om de koi ena mkodu abi nkoto police for gina ho ye check de ben mka kire am se ene mko report na police ni gina kwa wana say rob awiawa sa okono no be the best place to go is police station to report intinen san ko okeke ka no ensisi sukura yes I also yes man attention the platform na explore even to the extent here the parliament akọ discuss it mean no say wa Bruno so wa hwan seminar for me it's uncalled for and it is needless say omampani a ote akonwa so with all the security say power security no so okasa sabe imprediasa o yesa wa Bruni bibia anka so anam ho etotoi what are the nas ntinye nsem nyina na yete a wo te ran so a de common sense kakra da tar ho because se wa Bruni no ye hwan sabe imprediasa
obi zuzu be ka se obi ntimi ma out ma me trust and thrown to social media im se foreigners nyina hwe foreign countries timi hwe e bia Ghana de ekoso ne ade
metumi ama 3 instances a kire se nipa na twiri bomu ana se ni tribi ba mu otumi ye de opebia ye ni a ana takorade ababa obi ba se wonyam ya kidnap no okoba me I don't want to swear but from day one kasa me catch yourself I didn't sound too sweet me catch now lo and behold ne ba sa fi de sanye no kure entis wotumi plot ya de we what I say okwa de jine be de no obi a oba cancer me catch it no see ababa no nsam especially when I see her releasing no even though say she looks wretched say but you can feel say that be na walk right I want you is how if you walk hospital class o ko won is na se nkofo bi na akọ force one wa otumi afa ho di prekope ambrebe na ho empty I na me doubt adeni na from the start but na me ni evidence e was me come no too so it's obi atumi aproti we abakasa ya kidnap no ema akoye national discussion dey internet say revolution to include bibisa because you say you know or kasa mampani sabe mampani send pa it may say like an important person and obi an who febru so be even to akodo mampani state a taste so at then say so it could be anything and I say so I can say yin say hope say abremu na di ni na mu I am press omunyina besusemti when who is who I mean who is the real culprit and men sanfo we nkan say so mampani mpo sempo ne obese open one penny information be no wo de obi obese opa onya mpene information be na wa de ba in some na ye ka no it takes people with extra knowledge most mami as work the mpiangu baby because we have a lot of issues at hand to be discussed yes answer mu we na say di akiri timi de
o hwe say the course you me final year me ka fa se wa boni ho o hwe amanfo bi so che as a NDC for che na umbeso mo bre the current government na se
almo shechira enye news teniye o kan akanfo ngoma no a o so obi ntonsa emfa nhira ne busue ni ye nyina enim ha ye wo ha ene ete papa no ne twade papa no unyo obawo ene ade e bai enti sa abana e take de ma at that time na the president of the day and the former president ne the target no it also be akoba you don't expect them to keep mute and in politics you do or die said on company kind no obi e pennyonko ahwe ase dia penkunim enti send this for chechire pia enya de ye news nti more communicators and information ministry whoever no mo amomata no mo na mo also mo how to handle this case among so nti ko ye nyina o yi wadwe free the developmental agenda and I say developmental issues e wo so taka no o yi wadwe free so na se wa Bruni issue da wasa de no betaka say e kwan we ku amoka say mo ye monya school ayi we amoka you know because what e-blocks are abaye achinye kase including aflawo dia aflawo hene ebuofu etisen mu ne ade nti why do we have to stop all this discussion and discuss our Bruni as if our Bruni sabe na kosu yakum na bo home prince ana you know say say remember say and the American say there is time for everything nya brebiana yedi agro so atase o present a very asana o kan mani je hopa say they shouldn't rely on their selfish someone kwan na wose me nya me ho ampa so we a MPC bebre free akra kokuma say filling station o kwan so bebre be o dia hotels ahodo mo sisie you've made it, but the people who voted for you to get to where you are now, what have you done for them? So what are they not saying? Anka you futu kasia, me feel say, kansa community agro because they no. Nipa na moto abama na ma yesabe wo omo yo sebe wunwan. So omo na aduane di ya ana mfa na ntwe kwanya example, na ntwe omo yo na ntwe. Omo na aduane di wi ya na o ma onso ma quality milk and then plenty of milk. So what I then say na wa amana nidia me ne kwanye na wasi hotel ne kwanye na wasi mansion ne kwanye na da V8 me bia paki wo fie wo filling station amane mre amane bebre enti afutu amfisi nanka Mr. Bauer osako utumi emana dwene koso na ne concentration ye more on that than Sewa Broni.
All right, Smart Ghana update and mo share yes say we do comment be ba na like and subscribe e do bi biase makramo.